As you probably already noticed in the thumbnail to this video, this is a REBoxing. This is a boxing for the 48th participant in the Silva Challenge, Ian Mutch in Canada. And there was an earlier boxing, and as I mentioned, he's in Canada. The shipment never made it out of the US. I use pirate ship that uses a shipping service called Ascendia, and the package made it through a portion of the US, then vanished. I contacted pirate ship. They contacted Ascendia, their agent, and Ascendia located the package, and it is in the process of being returned to me, or at least that's what they say. This has been about 2 months now from the original shipment to this present time. Pirate ship was kind enough to refund the shipping charge, which on international shipments is a lot. So that cost has been returned. But the package still hasn't made it back. But they say they have it, and it's on its way, and be patient. But I basically have lost my patience. I want this to get to Ian so he can work on it. So this is a second boxing for this shipment. I guess I've been fortunate so far in that no packages have been lost up until this one. So wish this one luck. So Ian, here we go again. This is a Hot Wheels street cleaver. This thing looks ideal for a Gaslands build because it's got a big engine. It's got this, I could see this being taken off and moved or put on a different casting, or all kinds of things happening to this. So this one's pretty cool. I think that's a great place to start on this. The heck is this? HW50 concept. It almost looks like a mod rod in a way. I wouldn't mind gas landing one of those myself. I gotta search for one of those. How about something aircraft related? Corgi Junior Airbus. And something tells me this one isn't going to fly far, but maybe it can roll real quickly. Hopefully you can build that use that somehow into a build. Ooh. No idea. Schaefer Manufacturing Company. Stomper. Patent pending. Minneapolis, Minnesota. Made in Hong Kong. It appears to be all plastic for what it's worth. So the shipping will be lighter for that. Hey, it's a win. Showstopper. Okay. I don't know what shows they've been going to, but wow. Nothing like a chrome car. Synchro. Nice wing on the back. We'll throw that in there. Oh, yeah, this is perfect to get rid of. I mean, share this with you. Not get rid of it. Double Demon. It looks like engines facing both directions. So, yeah. You know, there's times where I'm amazed at the creativity of the designers, and there's times where I just shake my head. Matchbox Taxi Cab. Matchbox Taxi Cab. Man, that thing looks like it's seen better days. Shark. Got to throw shark casting in there. Love the shark engine. I've thrown shark engines in so many combis, it's not even funny. They're great for that. Oh, this looks like a Christmassy kind of looking thing. I think just because it looks pepperminty to me. The Shredster. It's the Shredster. Check that out. Yeah. If I sound a little congested, I apologize. And that may be affecting my mind a little bit as well. The Jet Threat 4.0. Not to be confused with the Jet Threat 3.0, 2.0, 1.0, or 0.5. Not that any of those exist, but I am in a babbling mood. I'm using an off-camera mic as I've been doing recently, so hopefully the noise of the going through the tub isn't as bad. A fire engine from Matchbox. That'd be fun to put a gun up on the top of, and you know, a rocket launcher or something up there. Swing shot. I don't know. Something fun. Eesh. A made in China, unknown manufacturer, obviously a pizza delivery truck. Pizza sounds good right now, doesn't it? I haven't eaten yet today. I'm still living off the fat I added from Easter. Maesto Fire Rescue. That's not bad. It's missing the back, but that could be fun. I hope you're liking this, Ian. This is cool. Sweet 16. Sweet 16 something. It almost looks like 2. Sweet 16 2. Because it has a Hot Wheels trademark with TM trademark symbol within a 2 after it. 1997 Mattel. That's not too shabby of a casting. What else can't you live without? Gee, I can't do that to you twice. That's the same thing, isn't it? Yeah, it's that same casting as before that was green that is even worse than that color. A Formula 8 the number 8 Formulator, which, man, that thing is going to be low. That is very low. What's this little guy? Midriff. That's not too shabby. I think there's a little more room in here. What else do you want me to throw in here, Ian? Oh, here we go. Just for fun. Cement mixer of some kind. And it's facing this way. Going this way. But, yeah, that's the cab. Okay, I don't know. This is just backwards to me. I mean, it looks like it should be going this way, but the cab's back here. I can't figure this stuff out. I give up. There's no glass, but it's a Diora 3. I think I can wedge a Diora 3 in there. Sure. What do you think, Ian? Is that looking good? Okay. Let's get this out of the way. And let's dump in some 3D parts. We've got a variety of 3D parts. We have some resin printed stuff from Time Rider. We've got some skulls from Joel over at Radio Flyer Diecast. We've got some other assorted 3D stuff that I did thrown in there, my favorite wheels, and all kinds of stuff. So there's some Time Rider skulls. Oops, don't want that one to get away. All kinds of stuff. So I will dump all of this in here for you to add to your build. And there you go. I am going to pack this up and ship it to Canada again, and we will see how it goes. Please wish this shipment luck. And everybody, thanks for watching this REBoxing. Stay safe and healthy out there. I'll catch you in the next one.